We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, I'm Cecil with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to show you how to monitor your supplies on your Canon LBP654. If you're wondering if you're low on toner or if you need to change one in an emergency setting, up here in the top off center is just a little bars that show a rough estimate of how full each toner is. If you would like a little more detailed information, there is a button on the home screen here that says consumable information. You press it, it gives you a speech about Canon cartridges that you hit OK, and then you'll get a percentage and multiple of 10 of how full each cartridge is. Now if you need to record that information, or if you like to keep a track of dates of when your toners are changed and so forth, and would like a hard copy of this report, you get there in a different way. So on the menu here, you press menu, then in the bottom right corner there's a small button that says output report. You press output report. Here it says print list, and at the very top it'll say consumable status report. Press that, press start, and it'll print that page for you. Now if you need some toner yourself and would like a quote from us, just give us a call, 918-627-6611, and we'd be happy to help.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.